friends, I hope you are doing well. Today I will show you how you can upload your Excel data in SharePoint automatically each time when you will put something in Excel. So many people, they will use Excel because it's popular, and so they will type things in Excel, or they have to add data, or they copy and paste the data in Excel. So that will help you automatically when you save the Excel. That will go automatically through the Microsoft Flow on your SharePoint, and from there will go automatically on Power BI, and that will update your dashboard. So let's see how we can do that.
So friends, in a previous video I did already a flow where I was getting all the postings from Twitter with this subject, COVID-19. So with this hashtag, wherever people will post, that will be when a new tweet appears, that will go on in a table in Excel, and I created a file, an Excel file on OneDrive. So here is the path where I have the OneDrive. I have a folder there created. You can see, if you click here, you will see the folder, and after that you will see the file. So you choose the file, and after that you will see whatever table you have in there. So this is my file, basically. You can see I have, and since I started, I have 3,000 tweets up to now, and this is the table, basically a lot of tweets there. So what we will do now, so this is what I did in the previous video. So what we will do this time, so when a tweet appears, we'll go straight away in OneDrive in Excel, and from there we will put this to go on SharePoint. So what we do, we just go with SharePoint, and we will see here, we will say, obviously we want to create a new entry. So create item. Perfect. Now it's asking to select the address. Obviously I have a test here already created. Obviously I created a test here, test tweets. So you can see here already I created the columns. So okay, so this is the table. Basically you can see it's empty at the moment. So what we will do now, we will list name test tweets. So now we will mesh the tables, the columns actually, from the book, from the Excel book to SharePoint columns. So what we do, we just mesh this title. I should change it, should be tweets, but I left it like that, so I'll leave it like that anyway for the moment. But I already know that is this one. After that, Twitter by, it's whoever did the tweet, original tweet text. This one, username, I will just use the keyboard. Username, Twitter ID, so that will be this one, I think. After that, profile image URL is this one, and after that, followers count. So how many followers that person has, and everything is okay. Now I will save it. Okay, and I will do a test. I'll perform. So if we go here, and if I'll go at the end of this list with tweets, we can see we have, yeah, you can see now this was updated. So we have a few more there. So 381, you see it's updated again. So the flow runs successfully. Yep, this runs successfully. Okay, let's go on SharePoint. We can see on SharePoint that we have all the tweets in here. So everything was, this was empty. So now we have the tweets.
So friends, if you like my videos and if you like what you see, please give me a like or subscribe